Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 6 best avocado oil. So let's get started. Number 6. Chosen Foods 100% Pure Avocado Oil. Chosen Foods built its entire brand around harnessing the power of avocados, so it's no wonder its 100% pure avocado oil earned the spot of best overall. It's non-GMO, expeller-pressed, and naturally refined to give you a neutral taste without any additives. Chosen Foods avocados, which come from Mexico, are never sprayed with any pesticides and are irrigated only with rainwater. The end result is a smooth, rich avocado oil that's ideal for cooking, baking, finishing, and even skincare. Number 5. Nutiva Organic Avocado Oil. Like other brands, Nutiva is committed to making high-quality avocado oil without any pesticides or glyphosate. But because of Nutiva's stringent guidelines and partnership with organic avocado farmers, it's also earned a USDA organic seal that can give you peace of mind that the avocado oil you're using is the cleanest and purest. The oil is steam refined to create a neutral flavor profile that's ideal for cooking, baking, grilling, sautéing, and roasting. If that wasn't enough, the avocados in Nutiva's avocado oil come from small organic farms in Ethiopia that use regenerative farming practices and provide organic farming education to local farmers. So any purchase you make is truly making a global impact. Number 4. Avohass Avocado Oil. Avohass avocado oil is one of the only truly cold-pressed avocado oils on the market. The oil is extracted from the best, unbruised grade A California avocados at their peak ripeness, without the use of any heat or chemicals. The end result is a vibrant green avocado oil that's rich, smooth, and buttery. Also, the oil is extra virgin and organic certified, which means it's really one of the highest quality oils you can get. Because the oil isn't refined, the smoke point is a little lower, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's still a suitable option for most types of cooking, such as sautéing, stir-frying, and roasting. If you want a little more adventure, Avohass also offers lime dash, garlic dash, and chili-flavored avocado oils. Number 3. Primal Kitchen Extra Virgin. Like Avohass, Primal Kitchen offers an extra virgin avocado oil that's cold-pressed only from the highest quality, perfectly ripe California avocados. It has a smooth, buttery taste that's richer than refined oils, but still mild enough to complement your favorite dishes. It's best for cold dishes, like as part of a dressing for salads, or a finishing oil for roasted vegetables, but you can also use it for medium to low heat cooking. If you prefer a more neutral taste, Primal Kitchen offers a regular cold-pressed avocado oil and an avocado oil spray, which are also non-GMO, Halea, and officially Whole30 approved. Number 2. BetterBody Foods Avocado Oil. BetterBody Foods uses a natural refining process to create a non-GMO verified avocado oil with a high smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Which makes it ideal for any type of cooking, including really high heat methods, like deep frying. The refining process also creates a mild, neutral flavor and a smooth finish that complements any dish without overpowering it. You can add this avocado oil to chicken, steak, and roasted vegetables, or you can use it to replace the butter or oil in baked goods. Number 1. Nutiva Organic MCT Blend. With 14 grams of healthy monounsaturated fats per tablespoon, any avocado oil is a great choice for a keto lifestyle. But Nutiva took its avocado oil up a notch by adding medium-chain triglyceride oil from coconuts into the mix. While the grams of fat didn't change, MCT oil is a unique type of fat that has been shown to promote weight loss and increase fat burn. MCTs also provide a sustained source of energy, especially for people who are fat adapted after following the keto diet for a while. Keep in mind that the addition of MCT oil does lower the smoke point a little, so this blend is best for medium or low heat cooking.